In the vast expanse of the universe, our planet Earth is not immune to cosmic threats. Welcome to a journey through the cosmos, exploring the fascinating world of asteroids and their close encounters with our home. Rogue space rocks, asteroids, come closer to Earth than you may realize. But just how dangerous are they? And how likely are they to hit our planet? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of these celestial wanderers. Using cutting-edge technology, astronomers have spotted near-Earth asteroids hiding in the glare of the sun. These discoveries shed light on the unpredictable nature of space objects and remind us of the fragility of our world. In recent history, Earth has had several close encounters with asteroids. The Chelyabinsk meteor event in 2013, the city block-sized asteroid 2019 OK in 2019,
this week. The scary thing is that scientists had no idea it was coming.
And the Tunguska Impact of 1908 serve as haunting reminders of these cosmic threats. But how often do asteroids narrowly miss Earth? Every day, our planet is bombarded by about 100 tons of space material. Most of it comes in the form of harmless dust-sized particles, creating mesmerizing meteors. However, larger asteroids pose concerns. Asteroids larger than about 460 feet in diameter could cause regional damage. Thankfully, these larger asteroids are expected to strike Earth only once every 10,000 years. Apocalyptic asteroids, larger than about 0.6 miles wide, are even rarer, striking our planet once every several 100,000 years. Understanding these space objects requires distinguishing between asteroids, meteorites, and meteors. Each has its unique characteristics, from rocky remains to bright streaks of light known as meteors, and the precious meteorites that provide invaluable insights into our solar system's history. To defend Earth from these cosmic threats, initiatives like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office and the European Space Agency's Space Situational Awareness Program focus on early detection. Technologies like the gravity tractor and kinetic impactors are being developed to stop asteroid threats. While near misses with large asteroids are rare, they serve as vivid reminders that our planet exists in a cosmic shooting gallery. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of asteroids and develop means to protect our planet, it's crucial to prepare for the threats that space, though beautiful, may hold. So, as we gaze at the stars and explore the wonders of the universe, let's also stand united, ready to safeguard our precious home from the unpredictable dance of asteroids in the vast cosmic ballet. Until next time, keep looking up.